Hello viewers and welcome to Noble Tech. On today's video we'll be taking a look at the Hak5 WiFi Pineapple Pager. Today we're looking at a device that feels like it crawled out of a 90s hacker movie, put on a hoodie and learned 802.11 AC. This is the Hak5 WiFi Pineapple Pager, a covert wireless auditing tool disguised as a retro pager, and yes, it's exactly as fun as it sounds. But is it actually useful, or is it just hacker cosplay with a battery? Let's dig in. The Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager is essentially a compact stealth form factor version of Hak5's Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7. You get a tiny pager style enclosure, built-in Wi-Fi radios for scanning, recon and targeted testing. The Pineapple web interface, shrunk down but still familiar. USB-C charging, a surprisingly decent battery life, a belt clip that screams, "I work in IT and I'm late for my shift at Blockbuster." This thing is designed for covert assessments, quick recon, and on-the-go testing without pulling out a laptop or a full Pineapple rig. Now before I dig further into the features, I thought I'd take a moment to show off the theme that I've built for the Hak5 Pager. Now my theme is based on the original OggSec theme, which was built by Soroka and is available on the official Hak5 GitHub for the themes. As you can see, I've changed the background with my own little logo there. And as you can see, I've tried to change as much as I possibly can. So in this case, I've changed the background here and changed the text colors. Change the backgrounds there. When we go into payloads, looks different. As well as that. And the payload launch page is also changed. And I like the animation that I managed to make here. I've also changed the Recon background. I think this looks kind of cool. Changed the background for PineAP as well, and the background for settings. And there's a lot of other things that I've changed in there, including the shutdown menu. So that was a brief overview of the theme that I've built, and it's available on GitHub. The link is in the description. So things that I really like about the Hak5 Pager are the instant recon. So once the device is turned on, it is instantly actively scanning and doing reconnaissance of the local area. It's got solid range for the size. It's not as strong as the full Pineapple Mark 7, but a lot better than I expected. I really like the stealth factor. It's pocket-sized, it's lightweight, and it's really well built. I also really like the Hak5 ecosystem. The modules, the logs, the automation, most of what you'd expect is here. In my opinion, this is a really good device for red teamers who want something discreet that's on their belt or in their pocket. The form factor is very unassuming. In regards to the thermals, it gets warm, but it definitely doesn't get hot. I think that's absolutely fine. I also think the user interface is fantastic, and I absolutely love that you can make your own themes for it. In terms of who this device is for, it's not for beginners, I would say. It's for red teamers doing physical engagements, pen testers who want a discreet recon tool, wireless researchers who love portable gear, and anyone who wants to cosplay as a hacker from the Hackers movie from 1995. If you're looking for a full-power Pineapple experience, get the Mark 7. But if you want something that disappears in your pocket and still does real work, the Pager hits the mark. The Hak5 WiFi Pineapple Pager is fun, functional, and a very niche tool. It's not the most powerful Pineapple, but it's definitely the most stylish. It's the kind of gadget that makes you smile every time you use it. So, for quick recon, stealthy assessments, and hacker aesthetic points, it's definitely a win for me. Today's video is sponsored by PCBWay. Every maker knows the feeling, that spark, that moment when an idea hits you so hard you have to build it. But turning that spark into real hardware, that takes a partner you can trust. That's why creators around the world choose PCBWay. Whether you're prototyping your first sensor board, scaling up a Kickstarter, or pushing the limits of RF, Flex, or HDI, PCBWay gives you pro-grade manufacturing without the gatekeeping. So whether you're building a drone, a wearable, a smart home gadget, or the next viral hacker tool, make it real, make it fast, make it with PCBWay. So going over to payloads, we can see that I've got quite a few payloads in here, and they're all from the official Hak5 GitHub. Coming over to the Hak5 GitHub for the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager, if we scroll down we can see we've got payloads, themes, and ringtones. We want payloads. And then if we go into payloads, we can see here we have the library. So if you want this library of payloads, you just simply click over here and download that zip, extract that zip, and then transfer that over to the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Now to do that, there are instructions down here on how to do it all. So for full instructions on how to transfer the payloads over to your Pineapple Pager, you click on Documentation, and we want documentation for the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. All links will be in the description. And if we come down here to Payloads, we have the Payload Installation Guide. Now this is definitely one way of doing it, but the way I've been doing it is with WinSCP. So you download WinSCP, install. So once we've downloaded and installed WinSCP, we open it up. We select New Site. SFTP for the protocol, 22 for the port number, doesn't need to be changed. Now we enter the IP address of the Hak5 Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager, which is 172.168.2.1. The username will be root, and the password is the password you set when you set up your Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. And now we are connected. So here you see the payloads folder, where you click in there. So we find the payload master file that we downloaded before. We click in here, and we go into the library. And then we copy these 3 files, and we simply paste from clipboard. It will ask you upload 3 files to remote directory. We click OK. And then we want to say yes to all. And there we have fairly easily copied over the payloads to the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Now if you're copying over payloads to the pager for the first time, not all of these folders will be here. That's to be expected. You can also use the same process that I just showed you to install the payloads to install the themes, which you can also find on the Hak5 Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager GitHub. Now another thing that I'd like to show you is the Mark 7 AC adapter for the Pineapple Mark 7. This adds 5 GHz capabilities to the Pineapple Mark 7. Also works out of the box with the pager. So I'll just plug this in. And as simple as that, it is now working. So if I go into Recon mode, it's using the external antennas. Now as you can see, the antennas are rather massive. It might be good to get some smaller antennas for more stealthy approaches, but if you're looking for range, this works really well. Now coming back over to the pager, you can see that we've got games here. I've installed Doom on my pager. Doom's not available on the Hak5 GitHub currently, I don't believe, but I'll put a link in the description to the GitHub for this game. Now if I select Doom, and then I select Launch, we have partial Doom on the Hak5 Pineapple Pager. I think I've turned sound off at the moment. A quick little demo of the game. But if I go into it, press New Game, you'll see that I can move around. And that's just a lot of fun. So in terms of answering the question, can it play Doom? Yes, it can. Shooting everything. And then to escape, press both buttons there, and quit game. You're showing the boot screen for the pager. I was thinking of making something animated, but I just went with 4 separate images because I thought it looked cool. So going over to Recon, this is already working in the background as soon as you turn the pager on. And it's just scanning the local area. But make sure you create a list of all the things that you don't want to pick up in your local area to make sure that you're not doing anything untoward or picking up anything that you don't want. We've got PineAP for all your settings. And then we've got settings where you can control things like changing the theme, volume, vibrate, display settings, etc. I've been Ogg, you've been watching Noble Tech, and until next time, stay curious. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and if you want to stay consistently notified, hit that bell button.